Guys, this is absolutely beautiful. We're in a subtropical rainforest. The falls are a sight to see. I mean, there's a reason why they call it one of the new 7 natural wonders of the world, because this thing is insane. I mean, it's like miles and miles of just straight waterfall. Absolutely beautiful. Woo! Them boys is screaming, roaring. I got us a poncho anyways.
We're gone. This is the Devil's Throat. I know nothing about it besides the name.
I think it's where all the falls converge. Also, one side is Brazil, one side is Argentina.
Ese era su cuarto.
Sí.
Okay. Gracias.
Gracias.
I should take off my shades. All right, boys and girls, we're going in. Woo! It is wet. Woo! Beautiful. I'll tell you what, the wind coming off the falls is strong. Mist. I mean, you can feel the mist, you can feel the wind. The water is rushing. This is sick. So sick. There's a rainbow right here. Like, you're literally looking over the side of a waterfall right now. I mean, low-key kind of like Call to the Void. Come out here. If you have the chance to come to Iguazu, come to Iguazu. You're gonna get wet, maybe put the raincoat on. It's not that bad, not that big a deal. You get a little wet, nothing crazy, but the view is amazing. And the pictures are really nice. Here, hold it. Alright, talk.
Baby, I have nothing to say. You're putting me on the spot.
Yeah. Baby, we're here in the moment. Let's talk about what we're doing. Hold the camera up like someone's coming. There you go. Talk.
We just had a photo shoot. Honestly worth it. I know it's a little bit of like a quote-unquote tourist trap, but I really don't think so. The photos came out great. The guy was really good professionally. And when you do the conversion, it's like $10 per photo. It's not less. So we found it to be super worth it, and we're excited to post the photos. Look at our view. So we got to the park and we got our tickets. Now we are on the bus or on like a safari shuttle. And I'm assuming will take us to the spot where we get off and then we walk to the actual boat. And that's when the boat ride starts. So super excited. So there's 3 parts to this trip. It's this little bus ride. You can choose to stay on the bus and it takes you all the way to the boat, which is the 3rd part. Or you can choose to walk. It's 600 meters, about a 15-minute walk. We're choosing to walk. I think everyone on the bus is. Oh, besides them. Yeah. 600 meters, 6 football fields, apparently.
And our flippy floppies.
And our flippy floppies.
The free Havanas.
Havanas are life.
We got the free Havanas from the hotel.
If you're fit and able, highly recommend the walk. I mean, we're only like 2 minutes in, but you see a lot more things than I imagine you would see on staying in the bus. Really nice walk so far. We're doing it in sandals, so if that shows anything, you could do it with sandals, sneakers, but it's very nice. What are you mute on this video?
Yeah.
Why?
Plenty of battery. Gracias. Yep, it's gonna be wet.
I want to put this on.
Mandatory. I know. What's up, guys? We just got on the boat. So you come down this like ferry thing. That's pretty cool. I mean, it's like they put everybody on the little tram. It shuttles you down. You come down to the water. And then now we're on the boat. And it's hot as you know what. And we're about to take off. And then once we take off, we're moving and grooving. And then we head to the waterfalls. And then we go under the waterfalls. I think everybody's excited about that. Let's go. all flows out.
Guys, so worth it.
Tell about it.
It was definitely worth the little excursion. It's not super long. You get pretty wet. I feel like we're pretty soaked.
It's fun though.
But so fun.
And beautiful.
And yeah, it's absolutely stunning. The boat drivers are really good at driving the boat, obviously. So we felt safe the entire time. Yeah, just absolutely stunning. 10/10 recommend. Macuco tours. Oh, Macuco Safari.